Kameralarımıza saldırdı.
Whoever touches me, I will bite that person. The doctor hasn't done anything to them yet.
Hello? Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take her. All right, let me take her. Come on, let's go to the vet, Sam. Okay, she's gonna get shot.
This cat's fur color looks like a leopard.
All right. 8.19.
This cat is very angry because this nurse dared to touch the cat. But soon this cat will become obedient. This cat is so good.
Yeah, Tommy, you behave for her. But when I'm doing it, you want to meow.
Another husky, but this one doesn't scream much. Hear what this cat is saying. This cat was dissatisfied because the nurse injected him with medicine. Why is this husky so friendly? This husky went to the vet for an open checkup and people thought this husky was going to see a friend. He always welcomed everyone he met.
So, check ulit yung temperature niya. Dito lang, dito lang. Tusok ka na naman sa puwet.
The atmosphere seems tense. Will this cat escape from this doctor? But it seems this cat can't resist.
Doktor nak minum sihat tetap. Oh, baiknya nak ni sayang. Oh, dia gini main. Kejap je. Cepat. Jangan. Kan doktor tak dengar heartbeat dia kan? Dah. Doktor dengar heartbeat dia. Asyik. Apa kan?
There was an escape. Will the cat be able to escape?
Brought my cat in for his yearly checkup with the vet, and this is what happened. He's famous at our clinic for his tricks. What a ham! He loves this.
You want to do a little trick?
He didn't want to leave.
Until they called us up, and then he did great about jumping onto place for the scale. At this point, I was really wishing I had brought him treats to make this a better experience, but this is so unlike who he usually is. We moved into the waiting room and all he wanted to do was snuggle and hide near me, so I gave him a few minutes and then guided him around the room to sniff so he could get a bit more comfortable. This interested him for a minute until he found the door that we came from, and then he just went over to it and was like, okay, I'm ready to go home now. When the vet tech came in, he once again hid and refused to leave the bench while she took his vitals. I stopped recording when the vet came in so I could have my full attention on him while they did his shots. We finished up and I told him what a brave boy he was today, and now we're gonna go home for some well-earned treatos.